correctly. And what do you do if you spell a word that's not correct and you are working with your partner? Charlotte?
You circle it and write it correctly on the top.
Exactly. So you're looking for spelling. Soren, would you read these away? Soren, what's another thing that you might look for during peer review? Periods. And what else? Letters that don't need to be capitalized. Audrey, do you remember what you do if there's a letter that doesn't need to be capitalized? Okay, you're not going to trace it, but Kira, remember last week when we worked on it, what do you do?
You instead of tracing it with green, you put a mark.
A line right through it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have periods, we have spelling, we have capitals. What's another thing that we look for? Commas. And the last thing, Eliza? Strong words. And what happens if you're reading your writing and you realize, I don't have any strong words? What can you do? Add them. This is the time to add them, right? Okay, so now those are the 5 things that we're going to be looking for. Both looking at one paper. And Zach, how many pencils should you have out? Colors? Yeah, like on your paper when you're holding your colored pencil. Between you and one. You're sharing a colored pencil and you're sharing a paper. How do you decide who goes first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Gavin.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Shake their hand and say, hi, I'm excited to work with you today. Watch so you know what you're going to be doing at your table. So I have, which one is this? You can read it. Spelling. What color do we do spelling with? Blue. So I'm going to do that one right over here. Does anyone know why I chose to do it right over here at this table?
Because the word was close.
The word wall's close. That's exactly right. Punctuation. So period and commas are going to go here. And question marks and exclamation marks and all this. Hey, you can put your pencil away because you don't need it.
Yeah, I just put something.
Okay, what do we do with the beginning sentence? What color do we mark it?
Red.
A beginning sentence?
Green.
Green. And what about the middle details?
Blue.
And the ending?
Red.
You're so smart.
I would recommend me and my friends. I would date,
Show me what your hand should look like. Raise your hand if you and your partner still need a little bit more time.
We're probably gonna need a lot more. We still want.
You're still working on spelling? Okay. I'm going to give you 2 more minutes, and if you 2 don't finish when we're done, we can finish up. You can come back to this, okay? Capital kids, I'll give you 2 more minutes. The rest of you, you know what to do to keep yourselves busy. You can either read it again, like I had Gavin and Audrey do, or you can read the books in the middle of the table. You have 2 minutes where they're going to go going to go to your next plate and decide who goes first in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Agree you don't snowman. That here. You know what? Is that it? No, we need it. I said forget it.
Person from each table. You're going to bring me the clipboard and the colored pencils, and you're going to put them back here. If you're finished, or not even if you're finished, because then the kids who aren't done can come back and get what they need. So Audrey, can you get the clipboard and colored pencils from yours? Catherine from yours? Eliza, bring them back here. Autumn and Abby, bring them back here, and then anyone who needs to go back and finish can go back.